Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and this video is for administrators of organization accounts. I'll be showing you how to invite teachers to the subscription. So let's get started. First, go to ellii.com and click Login in the top right corner, and click Log In as a teacher from the menu. Once you have logged in, click the profile icon in the top right corner and click Team from the menu. On the team page, you'll see the number of licenses in use and available to you. To begin inviting teachers, scroll down and look for the blue Invite button on the right. Click this button and enter the first, last name, and the email address of the teacher you'd like to invite. Once all the information looks good, click the blue Send Invitation button. This teacher will then show as a pending invitation. Once they accept the invitation and create their account or log in, they'll be added to your team list. To manage the invitation, click the three dots next to the pending teacher. You can either resend the invitation or delete it. If there are any teachers who are not receiving the email invitation, you can have them join the account with a code instead. At the bottom, click the blue Create Invitation Code button. This will create a code that you can send to your teachers. Please direct them to ellii.com/groups. Have them enter the email address that the invitation was sent to and this code to join the account. The code does expire in 7 days. If needed, you can come back to the team page and make a new code at the bottom. If you need any assistance adding a teacher to a subscription, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. That's it for this video on how to invite teachers to the Ellii subscription. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.